Okay, we're going to start off with 3 pounds of beef stew meat, or you could cut your own beef stew meat. 3 pounds. I washed my hands. Okay, we are going to break this up. Okay. Okay, I'm going to rinse my hands real quick. All right, once we get our beef stew in there, I say let's go ahead and... So we're not going to sear the meat. We're skipping that step, but you could if you want to, okay? I'm just trying to save a little bit of time. This is 5 tablespoons of flour is what's going in there, and I am going to throw just a little bit of thyme, season it with some thyme. Thyme tastes delicious with meat. Go in there with your pepper to your heart's content. That also goes good with beef. And then we're going to go ahead and go with 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, guys, right? Worcestershire. Okay, enough of that. There is 2 tablespoons there. Okay, rinse off my spoon. Okay, and then we're going to go in with some garlic. We're just going to hit it with a tablespoon of garlic. Okay, then we're going to just, whoops, sorry, stir that up a bit. Make sure you do this part really good. That looks like it's going really good. Okay, so then after that, we're going to go in with 1.5 pounds of potatoes that I had peeled. And hold on, I'm going to bring you down here. I'm using the big slotted squares. So I can cut. Okay, phone, behave yourself. Those potatoes, so they're even. Okay, I can't fit no more potatoes in here. Excuse me for that. Okay, going in with 1.5 pounds of potatoes. I just use this chopper a lot because it's a lifesaver in my kitchen, and it helps me get the meals on the table without messing around and being slow. Okay, and then one onion, and I'm going to say 1.5 pounds of carrots. We're going to throw that in there too. Then we are going to go in with 8 ounces of peas. This is a little bit bigger bag, so I'm not going to use all of them. This is a 12-ounce bag, so I'll be leaving some peas in there. I could also use them in any other kind of recipe that I'll be making. Okay, now got the peas in there. I don't have beefy onion, but that's okay. Onion soup dip mix, that's going to work just fine. And we're going to throw that in there. And there's our seasoning. I'm not adding salt. I really feel there's enough salt in this, okay? And I'm just going to stir the top around. I think that's good enough. Okay, my carrots, my garlic, my onion, my Worcestershire. We did the pepper, the flour, the peas. Okay, listen. This looks like it is ready to put the lid on it. We're going to cook this 6 to 8 hours on low or 3 to 4 hours on high. Normally, I cook it on high, but today I really think I'm just going to take this one slow so that beef is nice and tender. So I'm going to give it a 6 to 8 hours on low, and I will be right back. Okay, so I just peeked in my refrigerator and then just realizing that I end up having like a cup of beef broth left over from a recipe the other day, but I want to use it. I don't want it to go to waste. I know you do not have to add any liquid to this, okay? The meat is going to make its liquid, but I am going to go ahead and I'm going to put a cup of beef broth into this. I really think it's going to be okay. So I'm going to add to those ingredients 1 cup of beef broth. And we're going to check it out when it's done. Okay. And there we go. That looks pretty good. Okay, potatoes and everything are done. Okay, so one of the things I wanted to update you on, and I will put it in the ingredients below, is I did throw a stick of butter in here. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that, and I will be putting that in the ingredients below. I'll list that for you. Okay. So that is what it looks like. Everything looks done. Just want to take a little bite here. It is very hot. You ever bite into something and it like burns your teeth? I just do not like that feeling, but there I am doing it. Okay, my friends, this turned out delicious. I really, really like it. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking. I love you guys.